Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Andrew Schwalik, and to get to the point, we're gonna be checking out this bad boy. This is Google's home Wi-Fi system. It's a router made by Google so that you can get yourself connected to the internet at great speeds and great consistency. Now I've moved into another apartment, so that means I need to set up my own Wi-Fi. The apartment doesn't do it for me, so they left me to handle this large task. I am going to be getting my internet through the old-time Warner, which is now called Spectrum. I've got it all set up, so Spectrum is gonna be coming this weekend to set up my Wi-Fi. And I had to make the decision, am I gonna pay $5 a month to Spectrum so that I can use one of their modems/routers built together? Or am I gonna discard that and say, nah, I'm not paying $5, I'm gonna get my own system and handle it for myself? Well, being the frugal individual that I am, I chose to save the $5 every month and invest that money into this Google Wi-Fi system. And we're gonna actually open this up, I'm gonna unbox it, and you're gonna see how pristine it looks. And then after a couple of weeks of trying out this internet, I am going to be going live on Periscope to talk about how the connectivity works, what the setup was like, and overall how my Wi-Fi is performing with this bad boy. So if you have not followed me on Twitter yet, make sure you do. It's literally just my name, @Andrew Schwalik. Pretty simple. So make sure you follow so you can see how this ends up working out for me. All right, but now let's get to the main event, unboxing. It's game time. Let's open up this Google Wi-Fi system. It's so perfectly cubular. Isn't Google's packaging just wonderful? Look at how simple and beautiful this looks in the box. It is literally just a gorgeous cylinder. Let's take it out. So we have the actual Google router itself, some plastic junk, Google's instructions, which this is just patent information. This is the actual instruction sheet. Look how simple this sheet is. It is literally just one-sided instructions with pictures. Google, nice work on your instructions, huge fan. Last but not least, we have the Ethernet cable, which I think is an Ethernet cable, but I'm not sure if we really even need to use this or not. Well, there are really three things in this box that you need to take into account. They're lovely, simple instructions, the power cord, potentially the Ethernet cord if you actually need it, and the router, which is a beautiful cylinder in itself. That is it, and now you've seen what's inside the box of a Google Wi-Fi system. Well, there you have it. You have seen what is in this wonderfully cubed shaped box from Google, which is their Wi-Fi router system. It's pretty cool. I'm excited to check it out, but make sure you are following me on Twitter. It's just @Andrew Schwalik. Super simple so that you can stay tuned and ask me questions and see the review that I'll be doing on this Google router, as well as how it works in unison with my Arris SURFboard Modem and how they're working together to create an awesome system to make my internet go super fast. Hopefully it goes super fast. But I will be going live on Twitter/Periscope to talk about all that stuff, so make sure you're following me. But other than that, I'm out of here. I gotta go set this whole system up so I can start getting some awesome internet so I can upload this video. All right, well, I'll see you on Twitter. Yo, thanks for watching. If you wanna see more unboxings, tech reviews, and how-tos, you can subscribe right over here. Now click that little bell so you can be the first to see all my new videos. Now on to the next one.